Well, they're up above the windows. Short on a few logs. Because some of them had an accident when they were delivered and rolled off the trailer. When the guy was unloading them, he got a little over anxious and they rolled, and some of them got tore up. So some of them are going to have to get replaced. I'll show you what one of them, example of what one of them really looked pretty bad. Right there. That's not a good log. There's a couple other coal ones down here in the off-fall / coal pile. There's one down there that got the dovetail busted off of it. It's that long one right there. The dovetail got busted off of it. It was one of the bottom ones. So that's why it's messed up. Alright, everybody have fun. Hike safe.